Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing and reviewing the best life jacket that I got. Let's show you what I got. It was the best reviewed life jacket on Amazon. And this is it. I needed a life jacket for kayaking. Something's comfortable with pockets, and this is what I got. The Onyx fishing kayak life jacket. It got all these fishing attachments, pockets. If you can see, there's a pocket there. There's some kind of like lure, a pencil, a pen, so whatever you put there. When you click this out, you get a little table. That's pretty cool. This was $58, I think, or $48 plus tax, $50. And then there's another pocket over here for your phone. It's a zipper pocket. Let's see if it fits. This is the oversized one because I wanted to see if this is good size. Yeah, I think this might be good. Actually, yeah, this is a comfortable size for me. Because there's two sizes, one that fits everyone and one that's oversized. And this one's, I weigh 220 pounds, I'm 6'2", and this fits me exactly. I'll tighten the straps. Yeah, this is exact size. This is perfect. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's so comfortable for kayaking. And then this is open on this side for your kayak seat. So it's gonna be comfortable to sit in the kayak, and the pad is at the top. Got all the pockets. You can even put your phone in here even, because it got a bungee to hold it down. I think this actually feels like a police or fish and wildlife officer's bulletproof vest. It actually feels like it. The way it like goes on, because it has all the pockets, it's amazing. I recommend this life jacket. Super comfortable, it fits me perfectly, and yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Peace out.